Okay, we're starting this 50-minute timer.
Shame on you.
What's he get if he eats them all?
If he eats them all, he gets $30.
And you pay for it, or how?
I already paid for it, so it would be $30 on top of that. If he wins, he's giving me $30, which is me only making $20 because I bought her.
So it was only $10.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
You're gonna make yourself that sick over $30.
That's crazy.
Well,
I'll bet that he
You
can
can
do
do
it.
it.
okay. Is this? Did you guys just do a secondary bet?
Yeah. We bet a bottle of jalapeno sauce.
Hey, Dawson, I'll bet you $1 that he can do it.
Let's do all these secondary bets, Damien. I'll bet
Scumbag. I have money riding on you, Davin.
Okay.
You better win this.
Alright, on your mark, get set, go. 50 minutes.
What he just immediately.
He's got a peanut allergy.
His entire face is just. I'm just big bone.
You just keep. Yo, let's do a challenge with someone actually being allergic to something.
Someone's lactose intolerant and they see how much milk they can
Yeah, lactose
Dude,
intolerant.
that's trade
shit.
Yo, if we get permission to like film him in the bathroom after, we
probably
would
wouldn't
give 2 shits. He would
With
definitely give 2
Give at least 2. You guys think 50
The house
minutes
would
is too
remember.
long?
I feel like it might be too long.
50 minutes might be too long. Because he's going like.
But I mean, if
I
he's
don't
gonna
think
slow
it's the
down,
speed.
he's gonna slow
I
down.
don't think it's the speed. I think it's if
He does this every time.
The beginning
That
of
is
the
long. And then he's like,
Yo, you have like 3 minutes left. That's so fucking gross.
Corey just eating a salad. Disgusting.
Davin, try and make this the
Reeses.
4th throw up
Who calls
video. Please make this the 4th throw up video on the channel.
I don't think I like Reese's anymore, dude.
Already? Is it getting old already?
Davin, I have a bottle of jalapeno sauce.
Davin, if you throw this, I'll give you a little bit of the jalapeno sauce.
One of these 3 challenges, we gotta spike one of the things. Like if it's a chicken nugget or something, just inject it with some kind
Yo,
of
can you give me a
wax
piece of that bread?
bit.
Just dip it in your water so it slides in your bowl.
I think an alternate video would be 2 people go to a gay bar, you have to get gay lap dances, and if you get a boner, you lose.
Yikes!
Oh my god.
I would definitely.
I don't know, but what is that?
This is a sandwich. What does it look like?
are you
that
putting
yogurt?
yogurt on that?
Dude,
What is wrong with you?
I may have that.
Whichever comes first.
We're halfway
What the
there.
hell? Eli?
Whoa! Living on a prayer.
Take my hand and make it I swear.
It looks like mayonnaise. Just like fucking jizzing all up.
Eli, please come to the first bite. This looks bad.
How honored do you feel to eat the first bite? Because
The first bite genuinely would taste better. This is big.
It's making
So did the first one.
Isn't it
That
good?
look really freaking good.
Oh my god.
Those are whack.
Did you know instead of giving him the normal wheat bread that I
Davin, you!
It hurt, man. Are you still
feeling
confident,
did? Davin, you can do this. Davin, think of the glory.
Davin, the rest of your night can be-
Shove him up your asshole! It just has to be inside the body.
maybe up your urethra.
Oh god!
Alright, don't throw 5 minutes. Swallow.
Davin, if you throw up, does the bet, is that ruined? Does that make you fail?
In the past, that's what we've said.
Alright, Davin, if you're gonna do this, I'll give you $50 instead of 30.
That's a whole mall of money to spend on GTA.
Can I just get
Think of how many Reeses you can buy.
if he finishes this, goes to the backyard and throws up, you'll feel great.
Davin, there are moments
You should
and
just
then
stack
times that define them.
Wait, Jerry, you're helping with everything.
This defines you as a real
I'm on
man.
your side now.
This is so hard. So salty. Dude, so goddamn salty.
Salty?
All I can taste is just like salt.
Yeah, because the peanut butter.
So your confidence before you started was like 10. What do you think it is right now, your confidence in finishing?
So a serving size is 2.
What was your answer, Davin? What's your confidence right now? 4 out of 10? That's pretty low.
16.
You can do it! Yay, Davin!
Start mushing them up into the water and then just fucking dump that shit.
Dude, honestly, blending it with water is kind of awesome.
If you can finish this in the next 29 minutes, 26
Stop
minutes, I'll give you
forcing
$70.
Bro,
Devin, I guarantee you can eat this. You can literally eat this, force yourself to do it, and go throw up afterwards.
Just shut that down with willpower for $70.
$70? Do you know what I would do for $70? Bro, we talked about this. 1 in, 1 out.
1 in, 1 out. Average size.
I've been looking at you all day.
Davin! No! Davin!
Don't throw up. Don't do it.
Swallow the fucking.
Yeah! Let's go! Davin, you can do this, bro.
Poor guy.
Dawson, I've been looking at you all day, thinking that you look so familiar.
I'm sorry,
Just like you, that's so weird.
I'm actually getting you on this.
Oh shit. You ruined it. You fucking ruined it. Davin, there goes your phone.
Wash out the taste with more Reeses! More Reeses, Davin! Davin, it's the only way. This is actual water. Davin, I'm on your team, bro.
Why can't I throw up?
Davin, eat all of those super fast.
Yo, maybe if we melt them, bro.
Just have
So, Davin, how do you think the vodka affected the challenge?
Straight fucking dude.
You're way too
You think the vodka really did it?
Yeah, it made me like sick watching him be sick and about to drink vodka. Oh, are you good?
It's not even spiked, it's just vodka.
Eli.
I think it's literally straight vodka.
Imagine your mouth is full of peanut butter, and you go, fuck yeah, water, and you go, and you
It's like
back
the
that
water
shit.
bottle.
I didn't realize it was straight vodka. I thought you spiked water with vodka.
Okay, if you also think about it, you have to pay him $30 if you lose, right? There's $100 difference if you win or lose.
Yeah, that's true. You're risking $100.
Davin, I will literally suck your if you finish this, dude.
Damn, bro, that's a
Really?
Hey,
How many cups are left?
like 18.
Still a minute per cup. You're still keeping up.
okay,
D. D. Give me an A.
Hey!
Give me a V.
V!
Give me an I. Give me an N. What's that spell?
Eat those Reeses! Eat those Reeses!
One more cup. One more cup.
One more cup! One more cup! One more cup!
My fucking arm is soaking.
Also, we do have sauce for you if you need it.
Take your jacket off. What are you
Just go hard as what is your little hedgehog name? Just go as hard as Splinter goes when he shits around the fucking wheel.
Davin, think about it this way,
It's probably
alright?
they're
Tomorrow you either wake up a loser or you wake up a winner.
Davin, think about it this way. You're not gonna be able to do it. Might as well quit now.
Dude, toxic. You want him to wake up a loser?
I want him to feel good about himself.
You want him to wake up a loser?
No, you
What if
can
he
do
keeps
it!
eating? He's gonna feel like a loser. And
Yeah, but if he wins, he's gonna win!
gonna win. And he's gonna feel amazing. What the fuck?
Davin, what if I said $90 instead of $70?
Dude, that means $120. The difference between winning and
Davin,
losing.
I'm betting against you, and I'll give you an extra $5.
Davin, do it for Splinter.
What kind of life do you want to have for your hedgehog? Do you want to have your hedgehog have a dad that's a loser? Or a dad that's a winner?
Yeah!
Yeah.
If your hedgehog was standing right in front of you, what would he say?
Davin, don't.
Probably nothing.
Wouldn't say. Hey, Davin, just remember, Davin, that you're trying to lose weight, okay? You actually are trying to lose weight.
Hey!
Go, Dad.
Hey! He wants to be a winner and then lose weight!
The diet starts tomorrow.
Davin, what's your confidence level right now?
Davin is not going to eat one of these for a long time.
It's 1, 0 out of 10.
You want to bet on how long? How long do you think it'll be till you eat another one of these? No, I meant after today.
A minute. A couple months.
A couple months.
It's like the chicken nuggets.
Alright,
Daniel, what? You're next, bro.
Davin, if you give up now.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
What does it mean? Davin, if you keep going, you're still gonna lose.
Okay, dude.
Well, you can always feel worse, Davin.
Devin are gonna eat 50 of these.
I was gonna say at this point you can only
I'm not retarded enough to do that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all that jalapeno.
Hey, no, you are not getting a jalapeno sauce.
Put it on some eggs.
Hey, no, you're not. No, you're not.
Pick up some potatoes.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Yum.
Davin's gonna win this, dude.
Yum.
Okay, Davin, I'll say this. $90, okay, Davin? I'll
Pray
give
to
you
your gods,
$90.
And I'm still giving you 5 if you win.
Yep, $95 if you win. Dude, can't you just sheer willpower, shovel these into your mouth, win, run and throw up and get $90?
I don't think I can eat another fucking one.
Not with that attitude, that's for sure.
I feel like my stomach's about to fucking explode, and I need to throw up as soon as possible. But I don't want to throw up, and I want to eat 15 more.
What if I were to say that you can throw up and I'll still let you win?
I would immediately gag the fuck out of myself to throw up.
Okay, can I lower it back down to $70, but you can throw up? But you have to still finish in 13 minutes.
Are you fucking serious?
I'm serious. I'll let you throw up.
Not over the bathroom, in the bathroom!
What do you mean?
In the toilet, not in the sheets!
Dude, I can't fucking walk to the fucking gate.
I will carry you!
Holy fuck.
Davin, you can't
13
do
minutes,
this, bro.
13 minutes.
Davin, you're insane. You got this. You're the baddest mother trucker alive, dude.
Davin, you got this.
Down to 12 minutes.
If you want me to poop in it so it smells bad, if you want me to shove my fingers up your throat, I was. Oh! Yeah. Davin, use that. Use it. Push out more. Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Dude, I'm an empathetic puker. Yeah, I agree.
12 and a half minutes, boy.
Davin, you can do this!
How much time is left? Dawson, get the timer.
Oh my god. Holy fuck.
You better run in there and finish those last ones.
Holy fucking shit, dude.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fucking shit, dude.
Holy shit, man. What the fuck am I doing? Holy fucking shit.
You got 11 minutes. I can't even look at it.
Okay, 11 minutes.
You got this, bro.
Shit.
Do you feel better?
Hurry, how do you
You feel better, Davin?
How do you feel after that?
Way better, dude.
Do you feel like you can eat the rest now?
Maybe.
I know you can.
Davin, I know you can. Davin, you can do this.
Those Reeses ain't shit. You are better than they are. They're tiny compared to you.
Dude, you literally
Think you'll do it?
could step on those so easily they wouldn't even fight back.
Yeah,
bro.
you can fucking
Guarantee
squish
that,
that
dude.
shit.
Davin, tactical
Tomorrow when you
retreat.
wake up,
It's
and you
okay
feel
to
amazing,
quit.
$75 richer, you'd be like, dang, I pounded those Reeses.
Yeah, but you're
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Let's go! Let's go! Come on, you got this.
Yeah.
Yes, Davin, let's go! Let's go, Davin! Another one. Another one.
Sit down. Get that shit down.
Yeah.
Where's this water?
You're crushing it, dude.
No. Oh fucks. No fucks.
Don't even. Is this helping? It looks bigger now.
You know what they do after all this stuff?
This
relaxing your throat muscles to swallow.
do this, bro. Another one. Another one. Let's go, Davin.
Yeah.
Let's go!
You melt it in your
Fucking heroin.
Fat juice on me.
Davin, if you don't finish this challenge, I will think less of you.
But if you do,
I got Drake's like, yo,
way
shut the
more,
fuck
right?
up. But also,
Shut up, dude.
Alright, Davin, you literally have 2 full ones and then a bunch of teeny beanie tiny ones, alright? You can do this.
Yes, you can.
How much time does he have? What's going on?
5 minutes and 20 seconds.
Oh, this is fucking easy shit, dude.
Exactly.
Let's go, Davin! You got this, bro.
On easy shit.
Let's go. No, Davin.
No.
You got to throw up.
Please don't do it all years old.
I'm trying not to.
You don't have time to throw up yet, Davin.
Does he have to swallow everything too?
Yeah, it can't be in your mouth.
Who else do you know has eaten 50 Reeses, dude? That's insane.
In
Well, I mean,
one
like, in
sitting,
their entire
in one
life.
sitting.
Yeah, one sitting. Or standing.
You're Davin motherfucking Darger. You don't
Yeah.
give up. It's
You
not
can
in
eat
your
these. You
vocab.
have 2.5 left, bro. That is insane. You are so close, Davin. You got this. Holy amen. He's going. Let's go now.
Yeah.
Jared, I'm gonna admit I'm getting worried. I'm getting worried.
I'm kind of mad at you. That was a jalapeno sauce.
A whole jalapeno sauce. If you want some, I'll give you some. All right. All right. You got it. Or you can spend all the money on jalapeno sauce.
Oh,
Last time.
Oh my god.
Yeah, get it to it.
70 seconds.
Vodka or your
Stop.
70 seconds.
Woo!
And
Why is this so close?
Come on, Devin.
Because he's got to finish the last.
52 seconds remaining.
Wait, he has to lick the plate, doesn't he?
Alright.
Let's go now, man.
Oh, me, ice.
Alright, goodbye, y'all.
Oh, that's nasty in there, bro.
That's a nasty. Yo, you got some on the toilet there, dude. Here it goes, boys.
Davin, how are you gonna spend your $75?
Dude, did you just straight up throw up a chunk of peanut butter? Yep.
Now I'm gonna spend it on the hospital bill.
Yeah, he's gotta get his stomach pumped now.
He's gotta get his stomach pumped. You're gonna be like, what was in that kid's stomach? It looked like 50 Reese's peanut butter cups.
The equivalent.
Oh, dang. Damn, bro. Throat tastes better than the Reese's.
Davin just throws up and makes it so strong. He goes, yeah, bro.
Dude, throwing it up, I scream with like having a second motion. What the fuck, bro? You're welcome for that image, yo.
God damn.
Davin, was it worth it? Was it worth $75?
Probably not.
Probably not. Is that how bad it is?
Holy fucking shit, this is so goddamn gross.
Is it worse than you expected?
Way fucking worse. I need to have a fucking shower, dude. I'm like covered in retarded. Fuck.
Well, congratulations, Davin.
Dude, you wouldn't have let me throw up? There's no way, dude. My stomach was gonna fucking explode.
I wanted to see you do it.
I couldn't even eat my breakfast. My stomach was like, open. What the
I know, you ate a lot today too, besides.
What the fuck is up, Kyle? Dude, my ears are ringing from that shit. Oh shit!
He like woke up Dawson with it at like 3 in the morning.
You know what the fucking ass egg?
Jesus fucking
Okay.
50 more.
Don't ever eat 50 goddamn Reese's.
If you like the video,
Davin.
Leave a comment, and if you leave a comment, subscribe.